Hey viewers, welcome back to Pi42 Exchange. Today we are talking about APIs, Application Programming Interface in crypto. APIs seamlessly integrate your system with a trading platform. Whether you're building tools, automating trading strategies, or analyzing market data, APIs make your job easier, faster, and more secure. Let's break it down. Authentication and authorization. To keep everything secure, Pi42 uses OAuth 2.0 and API keys for authentication. Now, what is OAuth 2.0? This ensures only authorized users and applications can access sensitive data. API keys. These are unique keys that developers can use to authenticate requests. For simpler tasks like fetching market data, API keys are easy to integrate and very efficient. Now, we will discuss about key functionalities and a few examples. First is trading automation. Pi42's APIs allow you to perform trading tasks programmatically. You can place, delete, or manage orders in real time without manual effort. Let's take an example. A trader can use API functionality to automate buying Bitcoin when it drops below 90,000 and selling when it hits 95,000. This is perfect for executing strategies 24/7. Second, margin and leverage management. The APIs provide endpoints to adjust margin and leverage settings dynamically. First, add margin. To add more funds to an open position, ensuring it does not get liquidated during high market volatility. Updated leverage. You can adjust your leverage based on the risk level of a trade. Third is data access and reporting. APIs let you retrieve transaction histories, trade data, and real-time analytics. One of the examples is use API functionality and write a code to pull a detailed history of your trades, filtering by date or trading pair. Similarly, you can fetch the 24-hour price change and trading volume of assets like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many more. Fourth is public APIs for market data. Public APIs don't require authentication and are perfect for fetching general market data. Example, order book depth. Order book depth provides real-time bid and ask prices for better market liquidity analysis. Lines for charting. Retrieves candlestick data, essential for technical analysis and charting. All this can be done with the API functionality. API rate limits. Pi42 ensures smooth performance by using rate limits, which cap the number of requests you can send per second. This prevents server overload and guarantees reliable data access for all users. Now let's look at some of the real-world use cases of API. Some of the practical examples are algorithmic trading. A developer creates a bot that trades Ethereum based on the total volume and price change. The bot uses real-time price data and executes trades using the API functionality. Portfolio management. A trader downloads historical data to analyze their monthly performance and identify areas for improvement. Risk management. During market volatility, a trader can use this functionality to lower the margin on risky positions, protecting their portfolio. Now, why you should choose Pi42 APIs? First, security. Data encryption and compliance with standards like GDPR make Pi42 APIs secure and reliable for handling sensitive information. Developer friendly. Comprehensive documentation and usage examples make it easy for developers to integrate Pi42 APIs into their projects. Versatility. Whether you are fetching real-time market data or automating advanced trading strategies, Pi42 APIs cover everything you need. Pi42 APIs empower traders and developers to work smarter, not harder. With endpoints for trading, data management, and analytics, we open up a world of possibilities for automation, efficiency, and growth. If you are looking to scale your trading strategies, analyze market data, or build next-generation crypto tools, our APIs are your ultimate resource. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.